Hi, my name's Zoe, and this week I come to you to educate you on the importance of mental health. Imagine, it's August 11th, 2021, you're just getting out of volleyball practice. Well, your mom calls you. She says, "Hey sis, come to the house." Well, this was the day in phone call that changed my life. I got to the house. My mom said she just went to my grandpa's and dropped off some groceries. That was usual for us, so I didn't think anything of it. My mom stated that my grandpa had been wearing clothes that were unusual of him to wear, and I thought maybe grandpa's just having a funny day. Well, my mom was like, "Guys, we should all just go check up on him." So, me, my two sisters, and my mom got in the car to go check on my grandpa. When we got to my grandpa's house, we all rushed outside of the car and started banging on all of the windows. We couldn't hear much. There wasn't anything. Actually, it was silent. We were all so confused because my grandpa would be having the TV always blaring. So when we were banging on windows, yelling for grandpa, we were wondering why he wasn't saying, "Hey girls, it's me." Well, after about an hour of banging and just wondering where my grandpa was, my mom decided to call my uncle. She called my uncle, he answered, and he was quickly on the way. Once my uncle got to the house, he walked around, banged on a few windows, and said this was unlike him. So my uncle decided to go in. Once he got inside, all I heard was a scream. It wasn't a normal scream. Well, feelings of confusion, anger, definitely why, and feelings of guilt across my mind. That's what arose. Today, you're going to learn what is mental health. Mental health is the state of well-being in which a mind is being able to move through everyday life. For instance, being able to communicate with your community, waking up, doing your hygiene, going to school, going to work. That's day-to-day life. Being able to have healthy, balanced mental health gets you to be able to do these things. Some of the disruptors that can be for mental health are PTSD, anxiety, depression, and many other mental illnesses. 90% of Americans think that the U.S. is in a current mental health crisis. How do we help? Well, what are the signs? If you're seeing people anxious, stepping back, not wanting to go outside, feeling unmotivated, maybe not eating, not going out as much as they used to, not doing their homework, not staying up in school, these are all simple signs that could lead to many mental health issues. How to approach someone with mental health issues? Be patient, be supportive, provide them a listening ear, do not be a victim, hold them accountable, but also provide them with support, and remind them that it's always okay to not be okay. Patience. The lack of resources provides a stigma on many patients that this provides them with the fear of releasing their emotions. Always go to people with patience and provide them with kindness and care when approaching someone that faces mental health issues. So, this is my story. And although I may be a true advocate for mental health and come to you today expressing the importance, how to care, and how to approach mental health issues, I want you all to know, I don't want you guys to go through what my family had to go through. So always, ask a friend if they're okay. And always remember, it's okay to not be okay.